the team has performed. Rohit, great fight back by the boys because at one stage it looked as if the chips were against you.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we didn't battle well enough because I thought halfway through the stage when we were batting after 10 overs, we were in good position. We were 80 for 3 down, and then you expect guys to stitch the partnership. We didn't put enough partnership there, and we fell short with the bat. We were 15-20 runs short, and we spoke about every run matters on a pitch like that, on a ground like this. We were looking at 140, but nevertheless, I thought bowlers came and did the job for us.
You thought 140 was par for the course here?
Yeah, I thought there was enough in the pitch. Was a good wicket, to be honest, compared to the last 2 games that we played here. So hence we thought, okay, 140 will be a good score to fight. There's that never say die attitude in the team. We were only 119 on the board, and we wanted to make early inroads, which we didn't. But then again, halfway through the stage when they were batting, we got everyone together and we said, if things can happen to us, it can happen to them as well.
Yes, 50 for 1. Pakistan were in the ascendancy. Great character shown by the boys.
Yeah, I think that is what is required when you play a tournament like this. You need everyone to show up, and the little contribution from everyone makes a huge difference. And that's what exactly happened. Whoever had ball in hand wanted to make the contribution for the team.
And what do you say about Jasprit Bumrah? He's the man with the golden arm.
Yeah, look, he's going from strength to strength. We've seen him over the years now, and what he can do with the ball, we all know about it. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much about him. We want him to be in that kind of mindset till the end of the World Cup. But yeah, he's a genius with the ball. We all know that. But again, hats off to the other guys as well. Everyone who got the ball in hand, like I said, came and made the difference.
And when the chips are down, it helps when you have a fabulous crowd like this.
Absolutely, there is no doubt about it. The crowd was superb. They never disappoint wherever we play in the world. They come out in huge numbers and support us. And I'm sure they'll be going back home with a lot of big smile on their face as well. And yeah, like I said, it's just the start of the tournament. We have a long way to go.
Well done today, Rohit. Good luck for the remainder of the tour.